this is this Ike shit, I'm telling you, Jody.
Look at that power line. Not a power line, but when you transfer flip video to your computer, it does not delete the files on the camera. So you have to do that shit manually. Let me see what's going on. I don't have that much.
See the cops?
Oh yeah, they're down there.
These trees are all bent and getting ready to fall.
Oh, okay. Look at that. Yeah, I'm doing a little road video now. Anybody with me? Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, okay. So now there's one on this side?
Yep.
Holy moly.
So now what am I going to do here?
Oh, okay. Go this way.
Straight up?
Huh? Up here?
Go straight up.
Wow, you gotta go all the way around. Holy moly. Yeah, I guess because
like I know my way here? I've never been up in these woods.
Just continue to make rights.
Okay.
In somebody else's backyard. They give you
And he
permission.
got annoyed too because I didn't know what the fuck he was talking about.
Yeah. Oh, this is pretty back here.
Never been back here.
It's nice. They got land galore back here.
Ain't that something? You see, I ain't doing nothing but 35.
Yeah.
American flag. You think the trees are dry rot? That's how come they're just snapping?
It's possible. The wind gusts are substantial.
But that branch just broke in half.
That's right. It just flew right above.
Like dry rot or something.
So it just fucked up the left turn lane. Huh? Right. But they're all behind here.